three, four, 1, 2, 3. 너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어. 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고 고민이 생겼니. 초등학교 영어 수업 시간에 배웠었던 현재 진행형 같아. 하루에 10번 내 맘이 움직여.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So जैसे कि तुमने देख ही लिया है टाइटल में कि आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं, मैं हेयर कट करवाने वाली हूँ। तो मुझे मेरे बाल नहीं सही लग रहे, आधे ये लंबे हैं आधे यहाँ से छोटे हैं। मतलब बॉय कट के बाद ना मैंने हेयर कट कभी करवाया नहीं, अभी बैंग्स काट लिए, हेयर कट नहीं करवाया। तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं ऐसा हेयर कट करवा लूँ, ये जो स्क्रीन पे है। तो ये है मेरा बिफोर हेयर कट, ये भी सही है बट फिर भी मैं करवाना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि पठानकोट से ये जो 500 में होगा, 500-700 में होगा हेयर कट, और यहाँ से मे बी 300-400 में हो जाएगा। तो हम यहाँ पे आए हैं तो क्यों ना हेयर कट ही करवाएं। सो हेयर कट करवाते हैं।
The next day.
तो उनके पास हेयर वॉश करने के लिए वो चेयर जो होती है वो नहीं है, तो मुझे घर से हेयर वॉश करके जाना है। और मेरे बाल वैसे भी बहुत ख़राब हो चुके हैं। हेयर वॉश करते हैं और चलते हैं थोड़ी देर में।
I was so shy there, so I just recorded when they are styling my hair. I was so confused at first what they did to my hair, but later I like it a little. They did a really good job. But I don't like the way they style my hair and they are so harsh on my hair. I like the haircut, but I don't like the way they style my hair. It was so close to my aunt's house, so I just walked back to home, and yeah, here I'm setting my hair by myself. Haircut is done, and I will show you after getting bath and when I was ready, done with my makeup.
A few moments later.
I don't know why I recorded this, but I like my hair after setting by myself, and I recorded this video in horrible camera quality and lighting, so bear with.
that's all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. I will read all the comments and like them if I like that comments. And yeah, I will upload more videos and some interesting content in my channel, so make sure to subscribe and do follow me on my social media. That was in my description and you can also see on the screen. So bye bye. If you like and comment down below. That was in